Boiling crab is one of my favorite restaurants in the States, and the whole Shabang shrimp boil is the one that I always order. So I'm going to recreate this dish, and I'm going to serve it with rustic sour cream and cheddar cheese mashed potato. While the potatoes are hot, start adding the ingredients: cheddar cheese, sour cream, and salted butter. And start mashing it using potato masher, or if you don't have potato masher, you can use big spoons. Okay, the cheddar cheese has melted. I'm just going to add some chopped parsley. Season it with salt. Freshly ground black pepper. Pinch of oregano. Cayenne pepper, just a pinch, just to give a hint of spice. Mix it all together. Set it aside. Now it's time to cook our Shabang shrimp boil, and we're going to use a big frying pan. Turn on the heat to medium. Add the olive oil. Melted butter. Once the butter is melted, add the garlic, saute it for a few seconds, add a cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, paprika, lemon pepper, give it a good stir. So you just saute it for a few seconds. You just want to release the flavor and aroma of these spices. It's really, really good. Going to add the shrimps. Season the shrimps with salt. Mix them well until the shrimps is well coated with the sauce. Just keep mixing them together until the shrimps are cooked and well coated with the sauce. And to prevent the bottom from getting burnt, add some slices of lemon to add more citrus flavor. It's going to balance the spiciness of the spices that we put a while ago. Okay, my shrimps are already cooked. Transfer the shrimps. Let's add the corn. I boiled it a while ago already to save time. Spoon the sauce over the corn. Simmer it for 3 minutes to absorb more flavor. Turn off the heat. Transfer the corn to the serving plate. And pour the remaining sauce all over the dish. Wow, look at that. This sauce is very, very flavorful. Lots of southern spices. Here's our whole Shabang shrimp boil and rustic sour cream and cheddar cheese mashed potato. Now I'm going to take a bite. I'm going to spoon the sauce over the shrimps. Okay, mashed potato, my comfort food. It's really, really good. I can taste the cheddar cheese. And for the shrimps, it's so good. It has a delicious harmony of lemon, garlic, and southern seasonings.